You have the beginnings of a template to work from, but you have run out of space on your screen to view a majority of it. To get everything to fit as best as it can on the screen, we need to start shrinking columns. First, let's expand our workspace. I will temporarily hide the Meter Configuration Properties window by clicking on the thumbtack icon. This hides the meter configuration bar until you mouse over it. Now we have more room to shrink columns. To do this, you first find the column that you would like to shrink down, and move the mouse to the very top where the column name is located. Then hover the mouse over the line that separates the column from the one beside it, and click and hold the left mouse button. Now you can drag the column width to what you would like to see it as, let go of the left mouse button, and you are done. Some column names are a little longer and do not fit within the columns without being cut off. If this happens, you can always rename the column so each word is 5 to 8 characters long. For example, under the gas orifice meter, the column differential pressure has a fairly long name, and it gets cut off when resizing. Right-click on the column name and head to the Properties in the Meter Properties window, where you can rename the column to something smaller. You can also organize your columns to sit in together if they are apart. If you want columns together, you can left-click and hold the mouse button down when it is hovered above the column. Drag it over until the thicker gray bar moves near the neighboring column. Let go of the mouse button once it is lined up with the preferred neighbor and the column moves over. To avoid confusion, try to keep the moved column within its own meter group located at the top of the field measurements table.